This is the Utopia egg dispenser, available from Amazon for $17. Look for the link below in the description. Here's the standard box opening. But this is a simple, no moving parts plastic device that lets you keep your eggs organized so that you can always know what the oldest eggs are, so that you keep the fresh ones ready to use. This warns you to load the device from the bottom so that you don't crack the eggs as they come in. So let's go get some eggs. I usually buy the small boxes and try to keep them organized in the refrigerator since I don't cook eggs that often. So I'm following the instructions and loading from the bottom. Six for the bottom and 6 for the top. So let's test the limit and see how many more we can add from the bottom before we have to add from the top. Up to number 8, but with the 9th one, no, that doesn't work so good. So probably best to load 6 or 7 at the bottom and add the balance from the top. Now let's move it to the refrigerator. There we go, fits very nicely. Takes up a little less space than the boxes.